Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 American Idioms. Quiz. If you cut corners, what are you doing? Taking shortcuts to save time or money, often sacrificing quality. Driving recklessly. Trimming a piece of paper. Taking shortcuts to save time or money, often sacrificing quality. What does a penny for your thoughts mean? Asking to know what someone is thinking about. A small financial donation. A wish for wealth. Asking to know what someone is thinking about. If someone adds fuel to the fire, what do they do? Start a campfire. Worsen a situation. Refuel a vehicle. Worsen a situation. What does "at the drop of a hat" mean? To do something immediately, without hesitation. To lose something. To change one's appearance. To do something immediately, without hesitation. If you bite the bullet, what are you doing? Eating quickly. Enduring a painful experience without showing fear. Making a difficult decision. Enduring a painful experience without showing fear. What does "burn bridges" mean? To destroy one's own opportunities. To light a fire. To travel across a river. To destroy one's own opportunities. If someone calls it a day, what do they do? Make a calendar. Predict the weather. Decide to stop working for the day. Decide to stop working for the day. What does "catch someone's eye" mean? To attract someone's attention. To play a game of catch. To make eye contact. To attract someone's attention. If you chew the fat, what are you doing? Eating a big meal. Having a casual conversation. Complaining about something. Having a casual conversation. What does "clam up" mean? To stop talking, often due to nervousness. To prepare seafood. To close something tightly. To stop talking, often due to nervousness. If someone cries wolf, what do they do? Watch wildlife with enthusiasm. Call for help when it's not needed, leading others to doubt their sincerity. Express sadness by crying like a wolf. Call for help when it's not needed, leading others to doubt their sincerity. What does cut the mustard mean? To prepare a meal using mustard. To perform up to a certain standard. To reduce home-related expenses. To perform up to a certain standard. If you draw the line, what are you doing? Setting a boundary or limit. Creating art using lines. Making a sports field. Setting a boundary or limit. What does face the music mean? To attend a concert. To listen to a new album. To confront the consequences of one's actions. To confront the consequences of one's actions. If someone gets cold feet, what are they experiencing? A medical condition. Reconsidering a decision. A winter weather phenomenon. Reconsidering a decision. What does go the extra mile mean? To do more than is required. To travel a long distance. To run a marathon. To do more than is required. If you have a bone to pick, what do you have? Deboning a roasted turkey. Complaining about a minor issue. An issue to discuss or dispute with someone. An issue to discuss or dispute with someone. What does in a nutshell mean? Short summary of a story. A person who is allergic to nuts. In a small space. Short summary of a story. If someone jumps the gun, what do they do? Make a sudden decision. Participate in a race. Start something too early. Start something too early. What does keep your chin up mean? To stay alert in a tiring situation. To remain optimistic in a difficult situation. Raising the chin for good posture. To remain optimistic in a difficult situation.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.